Hi gifters, good morning. So we've got this early trip because it is possible that our female lionhead is in heat, and me and my sister, she's here. Ling, say hi, Sa. Hi. So me and my sister are going to bring Wing Wing to plant rabbitry. I just hope na nag-heat talaga siya. Kasi kung hindi, naku, that is really a waste of time walking back and forth. Kasi it will take us 1.5 hours before we're going to arrive there. Right, gifters? I'll see you later. And let's see if this little bunny here is really in heat. We're just back home, gifters, at sobrang pagod na pagod kami. 3 hours kaming naglalakad at mas sobrang nakakapagod kasi hindi talaga nagpapaksa si Wing Wing. I think siguro bata pa siya and hindi pa siya ready na i-breed. So, okay lang. We will just bring her back there next time. I think this week I am going to breed Snowy kasi mas mature na si Snowy. So, my next goal is to breed Snowy. Good morning, gifters! I'm back with another video. So ngayon, plano ko na mag-breed ng bunny. So, I guess i-mate ko na si Snowy at saka si Snow. Ang unang gagawin ko is ipapalabas si Snowy, yung female na bunny. At saka ilalagay ko siya sa cage ni male na si Snow. At saka I will show you here the lovely Shen. He is sleeping. Shen? Shen? Say hi. Shenhe really loves to sleep here inside the goat pen. So ngayon, pupuntahan na natin si Snowy. I just want to share this new cage here. Sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. Yung iba is ginamit ko para sa mga geese. So mamaya ay papakita ko rin sa inyo. Nagugustuhan ng mga geese at saka nagustuhan rin ng mga bunnies. Kailangan natin mag-order ng door. Ang nagustuhan ko is malaki siya and I think pwede na siya kung if ever may baby sila in the future. Kasi imagine ito yung area ni Blemish. Ito naman kay Wing Wing. So, ayan na yan. At saka kung Snowy ay dito. So, it's big enough para makapag-exercise sila at saka makapaglaro sa loob ng cage. So, if you have a plan to get a cage like this, you can just click and visit the link in the description box. Wing! Wing! Wing, wing! Oo. Pondor ka diha, ha? Ang mga kambing na ito ay parang brothers and sisters na sila. Hindi talaga sila magkapatid. Pero dahil araw-araw silang magkasama dito sa field at saka pati sa pagtulog, so kaya naging family sila. The best lesson that I've learned in raising animals is that we can be a family even if we're not family in blood. We all need family. We all need love. That's how sister needs family and love. Hi. Hi. Hi, Leng. Kagwapa man ni akong Leng. Leng. Oh my God. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye, gifters. Have a great day.